and January 25.
Now I'm going to discuss Vygotsky's social cultural theory. Introduction. The key theme of Vygotsky theory is that social interaction plays a very important role in community development. We believe that individual development would not be understood without looking at social and cultural context which development affect. So, sabi niya is hindi na mabubuhay yung development into higher development na kung hindi tayo naging socialize or interact space sa mga tao. Scaffolding is right after term for example, corporate assistance given by the teacher to assist the learner accomplish a task. Yung scaffolding is alam niyo sa paggawa ng bayo na sarap na which is ganun yung meaning doon yung mga tao sa kanilin natin, yung teachers, nanay, yung mga tatay, ganyan. Isa sila sa mga structure, structure. So, yung tawag Vygotsky sa mga tao na tumutulong sa mga bata na mag-develop sa kanila. Second is abstraction. So, napagkakaroon ni Vygotsky sa mga so, kung dyan, nai-enhance yung critical thinking ng isang tao. So, sa tulong nung kukuha niya, nung pinaparalan niya, tsaka yung pagmamahal niya, restaurant niya sa literature, sa work niya sa thesis, nagtala niya doon with illegitimate to recognize the social interaction and language as a two factors of community development. The social interaction and language is isa daw sa importante na isa daw rule, sa importante rule sa community development ng isang bata. So, Vygotsky worked on his theory around the same time as Piaget. Piaget in the United States period. So, nagsasabi si Piaget and Vygotsky sa theory nila ng community development. Pero, magkaiba sila. Si Piaget is focuses on individual. So, yung sa stages ko, which is si Vygotsky, nakafocus siya sa social, yung mag-interact ng mga tao, yung mga yung sa yung Piaget, stages siya ng pagbuo ng isang tao.
Like development, like process.
Yeah. While si Vygotsky is sa social interaction ng tao. Kasi halimbawa na lang is, example, yung tao na
nade-develop yung cognition ng isang bata kapag na-expose at mas na-expose sa culture or sa society kesa tinutulog na sa bahay. While si Piaget naman is ang paniniwala niya is nagde-develop yung cognition ng isang bata stage by stage development, like yung sensory motor and way of the retinal and yung concrete. So by that stages daw is mas nagde-develop yung cognition ng isang bata.
Language. So we know language is when we view as a verbal expression of culture. Language is a part of social interaction and cultural factors. It is important in terms of learning that inutuwa tayo, matuto tayo through language. Language serves a social function, which is you use it to start a conversation and interact with people. So, mas madaling matuto ang isang bata kung ito ay tinuturuan mo ang kinakausap mo para mas madaling ka nilang maintindihan. Kasi, this topic to oneself is not indication of thinking that God only the mind of the child. So, naglalaro sila mag-isa pag sinasabi nila kung ano ang nasa isip nila. Or tinatawag ito private speech. So, private speech is a form of self-talk that guides the child taking on instruction. So, ang private speech is nakakamitin ito sa mga bata para mas maintindihan nila ang kanilang ginagawa. And also, it allows us to hear and know kung ano nga ba ang nasa isip nila or kung hanggang saan umabot ang kanilang imagination.
May mga bata